We're a company that's so successful that everywhere you go, you see the scratchy, hairy fastener, and you say,
"Hey, that's Velcro!"
But even though we invented this stuff, our patent lapsed 40 years ago. Now no matter who else makes it,
you still wanna call it Velcro.
You think it's awesome for us, we're famous, but we're lawyers and it's causing us grief. Cause there are trademark laws being broken. It's all here in this short legal brief.
And we know that this is confusing, because Velcro brand is who we are.
What if you call it all Velcro?
We're gonna lose our circle line.
This is called hook and loop. This part's a hook, this part's a loop. You call it Velcro, but we're begging you. This is f***ing hook and loop.
We know this seems ridiculous. This is a first world situation.
And we made $500 million last year.
I went to turn to my last vacation.
And we're asking you not to say your name. We took 60 plus years to build. But if you keep calling these Velcro shoes, our trademark will get killed. Yeah!
We aren't just doing this for us. We're doing it for all the successful brands that got so popular, people started using the brand names the wrong way. So please, remember.
If you need something to clean up your socks, do it with bleach and not with If you have blood from a boo-boo you made, this is a bandage and not a If you're exercising with someone you're dating, it's in life skating and not I know that bleach stuff is more fun to say, but if you keep doing it, our trademarks go away.
This is called hook and loop. This one's a hook.